One company stands out for being at the leading edge of innovation. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Compact Mower, powered by the 20-volt max interchangeable lithium-ion battery system. The 3-in-1 with its revolutionary deck design quickly and easily converts from a mower to a trimmer, featuring a power drive transmission for getting those trimming and edging jobs done fast. The complete solution for smaller lawns. BLACK+DECKER 3-in-1 Compact Mower.
This is Lawn Boy's self-propelled walk-behind mower. It's an affordable, reliable mower with some nice features that make mowing easy and leave your lawn looking great. For starters, the rear-wheel drive self-propelled system takes a lot of the work out of mowing by providing plenty of traction for going up slopes or hills. And the 2-point height of cut system adjusts 2 wheels at the same time. That makes setting your cutting height fast and easy. The durable 21-inch steel deck and Lawn Boy's exclusive tri-cut cutting system make this a great mower for mulching. When you want to bag your clippings, Lawn Boy's larger bag fills easily, holds more, and lets you empty the clippings faster and less often. And Lawn Boy backs this mower with a full 2-year warranty and the 3-year True Start guarantee. Your mower will start on the first or second pull every time, or Lawn Boy will fix it for free. So, for a dependable, self-propelled mower that's easy to handle and hard to beat, this Lawn Boy's the right choice for you.
Get real. Get a really great looking lawn, that is, with the Joe MJ500M manual reel mower from Sun Joe. Joe handles tough turf with ease and provides a quiet, eco-friendly solution for any lawn. MJ500M comes equipped with a durable rear collection bag to make your cleanup work fast and easy. Powered by you, the Joe has a 16-inch wide cutting path for a crisp cut that will be the envy of the entire neighborhood. The adjustment lever, featuring 4 convenient settings, lets you easily select the height that's just right. 5 razor reel steel blades quickly make light work of any lawn. Joe's comfortable, non-slip foam grip handle improves control and handling, so you get maximum results with each pass. Backed by Sun Joe's full 2-year worry-free warranty, it's the manual mower you can count on to keep cutting season after season. For a greener, cleaner yard, go with Joe. The Joe MJ500M manual reel mower from Sun Joe. Get equipped.
Take charge of your lawn with this 21-inch lawnmower from PowerSmart. It has more features for a better value than the competitors, so you're in control. Available as a 2-in-1 or 3-in-1 lawnmower. Choose if you want mulching and side discharging, or the 3-in-1 model that adds bagging capabilities. Either way, with easy start mowers that have more powerful engines than competitors at similar price points, these models get the job done with ease. Multiple height adjustments and larger wheels let you breeze through your yard. The strong metal deck houses blades that lift and cut in a smooth motion, ideal for mulching, bagging, or side discharging, so you get a perfect cut in one pass. We believe that more power and features at a better value means you're the smart one. So go with PowerSmart, a cut above.